to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to show the layer panel in the Figma. So guys, if you want to show the layer panel, for this first of all finding and displaying the layer panel. Open your Figma design file in the browser and look to the left sidebar of the Figma interface where you identify the layers tab at the top of the left side. Click on the layers tab if it is not already active. The layer panel will now display all the element on your current page. Then you move to the another step, which is understanding the layer panel basics. So see your design element listed in the hierarchical order and click on any layer to select it on the canvas. Drag layer up or down to change their stacking order. Use the eye icon next to the layer to toggle its visibility. Click the clock icon next to prevent the layer from being edited, and double click a layer name to rename it easily. Then Figma desktop and version access. If you are using the desktop version, the layer is permanently visible by default. No separate show hide menu option is typically needed. Keyboard shortcut works seamlessly for the faster navigation. Browser version always prevent on the left side of your canvas and ensure your browser window is widely enough to display sidebar, and refresh the page if the panel seem unresponsive. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.